30 days ago, I made myself a promise. I was going to study every single major AI stock on the market. Not just read the headlines, not just watch other videos. I'm talking earnings reports, revenue breakdowns, analyst ratings, growth projections, and what I found genuinely surprised me. Some stocks everyone is hyping right now, I'd actually avoid them. And some stocks nobody's talking about are quietly setting up for something massive. I'm sharing everything. Let's go. Before I give you the results, you need to know how I scored each stock. I used 3 simple criteria. Criteria 1. Revenue growth. Is this company actually making more money from AI? Not just talking about it, earning from it. Criteria 2. Competitive moat. Can competitors replace this company easily, or do they own something nobody else has? Criteria 3. Entry risk. How expensive is this stock right now? And how much downside risk does a beginner take on? Starting with the stock that shocked me the most, I'll be honest. Before I did this research, I thought Microsoft was boring, safe, steady. Azure, their cloud business, grew 29% last quarter, and AI was the #1 driver. Microsoft 365 Copilot is now generating over $10 billion annually. In less than 2 years of existence, Nvidia, ticker, nvda. I already knew Nvidia dominated AI chips. But when I actually sat with the earnings data, I checked twice. $1 billion in a single quarter. From data center revenue alone. That's more money than most Fortune 500 companies make in a year. Now here's where my research got interesting. One of those stocks I'm going to tell you to be careful with. Stay tuned until the end. Palantir, ticker, PLTR. Most beginners have never heard of this company. They build AI decision-making software for governments. AMD's ME300 chip stepped directly into that gap. And the numbers show it. AMD's data center revenue grew 69% last year. The stock I'd be careful with right now. Tesla. Their core business, selling cars, is struggling. Revenue fell 9% last year. Microsoft, the biggest surprise. Nvidia, the obvious king. Palantir, the underdog. AMD, the dark horse. And Tesla, one to watch. Subscribe to Future Finance Lab. Drop a comment below. Which of these 4 stocks are you most interested in? See you there.